What's up, guys, and welcome back. Another day and another Auto-Rebase protocol. This time, found one called Compound Protocol. Now, this one's pretty early on. They've got the pre-sale coming up on the 29th of March, which is still a week away. So these guys are still going through the growth phase. They're trying to grow up the Telegram and the Discord communities. So if you head over there now especially onto their Telegram, you're going to find multiple ways of finding yourself a whitelist. So they've got some influencers posting, they've got some like Twitter giveaways and Reddit competitions, all that kind of stuff. So there's still plenty of time to get yourself over there onto the Telegram, check it out and find yourselves a whitelist spot. So let's just go over the protocol a little bit. Now, for you guys that don't watch any of my videos and you might be new to Auto-Rebase protocols, you might not understand what they are. So basically what happens is the supply is elastic, the token supply is elastic, so tokens can be made, right? And then the buy and the sell taxes then go into a treasury which pay for rebases which happen usually around about every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, depending on the protocol. So without actually having to stake your tokens to some sort of decentralized app, your tokens are automatically going to be staked to the protocol. They're automatically going to rebase and they're automatically going to compound. So the amount of tokens, the amount of money you have will increase over time. And that's kind of in a nutshell how it works. I've got other videos that go into it in more detail. But now we'll concentrate on this one, Compound Protocol, and see what they've got to offer. As you can see here, we'll go over to the white paper actually, because that will be a little bit more in detail. So there you go. These guys are offering a fixed APY of 350,000, which is the main aspect of the project. And that's going to give roughly around 2% interest a day on what you already own. And so if you keep holding, don't sell any of your tokens, then this will keep building up and you'll be able to turn, what did it say on the start of the website? £1,000 into 3,500,000 in just 1 year. So that's really how effective these protocols are. And as you can see by looking at some of the older ones, the original ones like Titano, who have nearly been going 5 months now, you can just see how sustainable they are over a long period of time as well. I mean, the guys that are holding Titano since launch, I'm not sure if there is any left, but those guys will have some crazy gains by now. So let's go into a little bit more detail, see what it talks about the tokenomics here. So here we go, fixed APY, 350,000. The rebases are going to happen every 30 minutes. And yeah, so we'll go down now and check out a little bit more. Here we go, buy and sell tax. So these guys have got a 14% buy tax and 16% sell tax. That's going to be a 30% tax all round trip. That's relatively low compared to some of these other protocols. They tend to be a little bit higher, so you're going to pay a little bit less with taxes there. With being so early in this protocol, I really recommend you get over there as soon as possible. Join up to the Telegram and find one of your ways to try and get a whitelist spot to have a go at the pink sale pre-sale. Because if you do that, then you won't have to pay this 14% tax buying in. You'll only have to pay the 16% tax whenever you want to leave the protocol. It's always the people that buy in at start generally that make the most money. That's where we tend to go in. So this is how the taxes are split up. So they've got 5% going into the treasury, 4% going into the liquidity, 3% insurance, and 4% insurance on the sell, and then 2% in auto burn, which is pretty standard for one of these protocols. And so these guys have been saying on the Telegram that they're also going to make sure that an audit and a KYC is done before the pre-sale, so all that will be done and ready for the pre-sale, which will start next week. And yeah, there's a couple more details about that. So the pre-sale is going to be next week, and it's going to be on the 29th of March. And it's going to have a hard cap of 500 BNB and a soft cap of 300 BNB. The minimum buy will be 0.2 BNB and the maximum will be 2.5. So 500 BNB in total, which is for one of these protocols, is pretty low, which means the starting cap's going to be nice and low, which always gives an opportunity to have a lot of upside and make a lot of X's on your investment, which is always really good. And yeah, so like I say, it's still 1 week to go. I recommend getting yourself over there now and trying to get yourself a whitelist spot as soon as possible, and just watch how this project progresses over the next week. And so yes, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.